friends! If you're looking for the best new ORIS watches for men based on specifications, you're in the right place. All the watches buying link were given in video description. Please like, comment, and subscribe my channel for more videos, and press the bell icon button for my new videos notification. Number 5. ORIS Divers Mechanical 0173377074337. Display type, analog. Case diameter, 40 millimeters. Band material, stainless steel. Calendar, month. Movement, mechanical. Excellent timepiece. Wow, what a great piece. Worth every penny. Love this mechanical hand-wound piece. Simple, clean, nice watch for a reasonable price. The watch itself is fantastic. Gorgeous dial. Number 4. ORIS Carl Brashear Calibre 401 watch 01 401 7764 3185. Item shape, round. Dial window material type, anti-reflective sapphire. Display type, analog. Clasp, buckle. Case material, bronze. Case diameter, 40 millimeters. Band material, fabric. Band color, blue. Dial color, blue. Bezel material, bronze. Special feature, special luxury wooden presentation box. Certificate, limited to 2,000 pieces. Bronze screw-down crown. Movement caliber, 401. Automatic self-wind. Water-resistant depth, 200 meters. Number 3. ORIS The Big Crown Pointer Date Caliber 01 403 776 4065-07 51911. Polished hands. The hour and minute hands with luminous fill. Bezel, fixed. Bracelet strap, leather. Case material, steel. Case width, 38 millimeters. Dial color, blue. Gender, men's. Movement, automatic. Water resistant, 50 meters. Movement, automatic. Power reserve, 120 hours. Number of jewels, 24. Case diameter, 38 millimeters. Water resistance, 5 ATM. Dial, blue. Bracelet material, calfskin. Bracelet color, black. Clasp buckle. Polished and brushed stainless steel case. Number 2. ORIS The Holstein Edition 01 403 7776 4083. Case, big crown stainless steel movement. Automatic winding pointer. Date, small second developed by ORIS. Dial, gray. Strap, bracelet, leather. Case, 38 millimeter diameter, stainless steel. Polished and brushed. Flat bezel, screw-down crown and case back. 50-meter water resistance. Dial, gray. Indices. Number and hands printed with Super Luminova. Perpetual date ring with central pointer date hand with red tip. Small seconds at 6 o'clock. Movement. ORIS Calibre 403 automatic. Twin barrels for 120-hour power reserve. Highly anti-magnetic. Accuracy rating of -3 to +5 seconds per day. 10-year warranty. Central hours, minutes. Date, small seconds at 6 o'clock. Number 1. ORIS The Aquis Pro Date Calibre 01 400 7767 7754-07 426 64 BTEB. Case, Aquis 49.5 millimeter titanium black DLC plated. Movement, automatic winding. Date developed by ORIS. Dial, black. Strap, bracelet, rubber. Case shape, round. Case dimensions, 49.5 millimeter. Case material, titanium. Dial color, black. Crystal scratch-resistant sapphire. Bezel, unidirectional rotating screw-in crown. Yes. Water resistance, 1,000 meters. Case back, solid. Band material, rubber. Color, finish, black. Clasp, push deployment buckle. Lug width, 26 millimeters. Movement, automatic.